Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances, ngayong May 2026. Just as a general reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan, and also, kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Okay, Scorpio. What is the energy ng inyong kaperahan? Peace. Ayan, meron kayong kapayapaan ng isip. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, nahanap niyo na yung trabaho or career path ninyo na hindi kayo nasa-stress or maaring may mga changes sa decisions ninyo or you finally made a decision to find peace in your career or yung situation mo. Like for example, yung iba, totally nag-resign na kayo or kayo ay hindi lang nag-resign na but can also mean nag-retire, parang gano'n. You also have energy. Meron kang energy ngayon to explore other opportunities in your career, sources of income, or bagong interest mo na pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan or maging source ng abundance. 'Di ba? Yan yung iyong passion. Passion for a certain career path or craft or arts. You can be into artwork, music, or anything na career path na more on creativity. Okay? So, let's see. What other messages for Scorpio kaperahan? May 2026. Okay, you have the storm. This is transition. May change, may pagbabago. Pwedeng merong natapos and merong magsisimula. I also see na mas confident ka ngayon na harapin ang career mo, ang trabaho mo, lalo na kung nanggaling ka sa isang pagsubok, no? Kasi mas na-realize mo na mas malakas ka pala. You are stronger than before. You are more confident than before. So, pwedeng may challenge sa inyo in the past Talagang, kumbaga, binagyo ang career, trabaho nyo, or source of income nyo. And now is the time na kayo ay bumabangon. You also have the tree of life. So, this is about support, blessings, no? So, some of you, maaring itong pagbangon ninyo ay mas madali dahil merong mga taong nakasuporta sa'yo, may mga tumutulong, may mga nagbibigay ng advice. And the tree of life is also about self-correcting. So, pwedeng meron kang realization about your previous decisions, yung mga choices mo. Ano dun yung hindi nakabuti para sa'yo. And now, you learn from that. So, ngayon, marami ka ng wisdom. Diba? You learn from your experience. You also have the moth. Moth is like your instinct, your intuition. Mas, malakas yung, pakiramdam. You are more intuitive in making decisions, in, taking action sa mga landas na gusto mong tahakin. If before, parang nahihirapan ka, pero ngayon, mas clear sa'yo. Because you are more divinely guided. You have the strength card. Oh, ayan, yung iyong lakas, yung iyong stability, that is also your focus ngayong may pagdating sa work. Na tipong kahit na may mga pinagdaanan kang pagsubok, you still remain standing. Like, as in, matatag, malakas, matibay. Ayan, at gagamitin mo yung kaalaman mo, no, para makabawi muli, makabangon muli. And the Page of Swords is also about being more curious. Pwedeng meron ka ngayong bagong interest na gusto mong subukan, pag-aralan, i-research. something that you want to start pagdating sa career, trabaho mo. May gusto kang simulan eh. Meron kang gustong i-explore. Speaking of sisimulan, this is the Ace of Wands. You want to try new things, you want to try new experiences. Part of that is learning. Ito yung tipong hindi mo siya sisimulan ng wala kang alam. Kumbaga, i-research mo munang maigi. Let's say you want to start a business. Hindi ka basta-basta na lang magsisimula ng negosyo nang wala kang idea sa ginagawa mo. You want to make sure na you are doing it right and you are passionate about what you do. Ay, wow. Oh, may success dito, Scorpio. Ito yung reward mo sa mga efforts na ibibigay mo para sa career mo, trabaho mo, para sa pangarap mo. You will be recognized. No? Maraming mga taong mas magre-respect sa'yo sa kakayanan mo. I-recognize ka sa mga abilities mo. People will admire you. Okay, let's see. Ano pa? And I think magiging mabilis rin yung pangyayari for you, Scorpio eh. Kasi, kumbaga, ang bilis mo lang ding makarecover. Na nakapagsimula ka kaagad, nakabangon ka kaagad. Accept the inevitable, let go of the past, and welcome a rebirth to begin. 'Di ba? So, yung mga inevitable na yan, mga hindi mo maiiwasan na mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, wala kang control over it, you're letting that go. Kasi open ka na sa transformation, open ka na sa pagbabago. Let's say, tinanggal ka sa work, o kaya nagsara yung kumpanya. Yun yung mga bagay na wala ka ng control, but what you can control is how you're going to deal with that challenge sa buhay mo. So, when you welcome mo ngayon ang rebirth, ang new beginnings. New rhythms are coming into your life. O may bago talaga. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Trusting yourself, trusting your instinct, your intuition, trusting your action. So, in-encourage ka raw na magtiwala at i-adapt yung sarili mo sa pagbabago. Because it's for your own good. It's for your own evolution, kumbaga. Because you are evolving, you are changing to a new version of you. So, embrace mo yung bagong ikaw. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Oh, that makes sense kasi may peace card din dito. So, mas magiging masaya ka ngayon sa career, trabaho mo, sa situation mo, sa finances mo, mas kalmado ka, mas at peace ka. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, yung mga pinagkakitaan nyo ay alam nyo na hindi kayo masyadong nasistress or meron mong stress or challenge, it's okay because you are passionate about it. Kasi yung importante, passionate ka sa ginagawa mo para hindi mo siya natitreat as trabaho na can be draining and stressful. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.